Is your mobile data not working? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you simple steps to fix mobile data issues on Android and iPhone. I have no internet. First, make sure mobile data is turned on. Swipe down from the top of yours and tap the mobile data icon if it's... Next, turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection. Restart your phone. A simple reboot often fixes temporary network and internet problems. If your data still isn't working, check your APN settings. Make sure they match the settings provided by your mobile network. Make providers by your mobile network. How to update APN settings. Let's see fully this video.
Hack. Go to Phone Settings. SIM and Network Settings. Choose your SIM card for manually APN Internet Settings. Access point name. Click on plus icon, add new APN Internet Settings. Tab on name. Tab on APN. Tab on username. Tab on server. Authentication type. PAP/CHAP. Authentication type, PAP/CHAP. APN type. APN protocol, IPv4/IPv6. APN roaming protocol, IPv4/IPv6. Now, save new APN settings after select this APN. After restarting phone, check your Android phone, internet, speed. Thanks watching my video, like, share and subscribe.